Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer says, please call me back on my number, which starts with 0943. So my question for you right away is, do you know which network provider that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So all you have to do is first log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you will see here the dashboard. Second, go to the Tools tab and click on Tools. Here you will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. Scroll down to the bottom, and once you're in the bottom, you'll see the Provider Prefix Checker, and that's the tool we need. This tool matches any prefix with a provider if known. So what we need here is just to put in the number 0943. Let's do that right away. 0943, and there you are. You can see this is a Sun cellular phone number. CouponBet is designed to help your travel agency to be more organized and structured. And if you like tools like this, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.